Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how to make delicious shrimp curry as I'm eating it right now. This serves 3 people, it takes about 30 minutes. Step 1, start your rice right now at the very beginning before you do anything. Take 2 medium shallots, size kind of like you should fit in the palm of your hand. Chop them up. Put oil in the pan. Cook the shallots until they're like crispy. Remove the pan from the heat to the side and put in about half teaspoon of cayenne. 2 teaspoons of like Kashmiri chili or paprika if you don't have that. Add half teaspoon of black pepper and about a quarter teaspoon of haldi, which is turmeric. And then just stir it until it's like a paste kind of consistency. Remember to do all of this off the heat. Take about 1 1/4 cups of coconut milk, 1 1/4, 1 1/2 if you want a creamier of coconut milk. Put the pan on the heat. Add the coconut milk and bring it to a simmer, low, slow boil. And make sure as you're stirring it around, you're scraping the bottom of the pan in case there's anything stuck. Reduce the heat to low and let it sit for a bit. While that's happening, rinse your shrimp. I use a pound of shrimp if I'm feeding 2 to 3. I'll use 2 if I'm doing like dinner, lunch, and then dinner again. I'll use 2 pounds of shrimp. So as much shrimp as you want. Add the shrimp. Reduce the heat to low and add your rinsed shrimp. Let it cook a little bit and season it with some salt and some lemon juice until the shrimp is cooked. I just eyeball this and I taste it as I go. If I need more of something, I add it. If I need less of something, I add more water. And then that's it. Make sure your rice is being cooked as you're doing this, and then serve it with rice if you want, or you can use something else. And that's it. That's my delicious shrimp curry recipe. Thank you. I have a couple things to note. Number 1, you should try to use coconut milk from a bottle instead of a can because it just comes out better. Make sure you shake it before you use it. Number 2, I don't usually measure my portions in terms of seasonings. I just kind of go and it just turns out good. So you can do that, but what I gave in this recipe is like a base, kind of what I would say is the closest. The recipe is in like 2 seconds, so I hope you enjoyed.